Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the misunderstood world of one of nature's most notorious misfits, the hyena. You've heard the laughs, seen the villain roles in movies, but these creatures deserve way more credit than they get. Let's clear the air and maybe crack a few smiles, because it's time to meet the real hyenas. First off, International Hyena Day is celebrated every April 27th, and yes, it's a real thing. It's a chance to shine a light on these often overlooked animals and remind the world that hyenas aren't just background cacklers in Disney films. They're intelligent, complex, and essential to their ecosystems. Now let's talk types. There are 4 species of hyenas: the spotted hyena, the brown hyena, the striped hyena, and the aardwolf. Yes, aardwolf. It may sound like a rejected superhero name, but it's real. While spotted hyenas get all the fame and infamy, the others are just as fascinating. Aardwolves don't even eat meat. They lick up termites like it's their job, because it is. Now, let's bust a myth. Hyenas are not just scavengers. In fact, spotted hyenas are skilled hunters. They bring down about 60 to 70% of their meals themselves. That's right. These laughing scavengers are actually more like stealthy, bone-crushing apex predators. They can even digest bones thanks to their super acidic stomachs. They're basically nature's cleanup crew and the hit squad. And about that laugh, technically called a giggle, it's not because something's funny. It's just how they communicate stress, excitement, or submission. Think of it as their primal shout code, loud, chaotic, and full of teeth. You might hear them laughing during a fight over food or when trying to impress the boss of the clan. Speaking of which, Hyena Society is no joke. It's ruled by females. Shout out to all you Jasiri and Janja fans who already know this. Yep, in a hyena clan, girls run the world. The highest ranking male still falls below the lowest ranking female. It's a strict matriarchy, and females are larger, stronger, and more dominant. Even newborn cubs come into the world with a full set of teeth and a strong sense of competition. And here's a wild fact. It's almost impossible to tell male and female hyenas apart at a glance because females have, well, let's just say anatomical camouflage. In fact, researchers often have to run genetic tests to figure it out. Nature, always keeping us humble. Hyenas are also incredibly social, living in clans that can number up to 80 individuals. They coordinate hunts, share info, and even mourn their dead. Their intelligence rivals that of some primates, and they've been observed solving puzzles and working in teams. Basically, they're smarter than they look, and probably smarter than the neighborhood raccoon raiding your trash can. Sadly, despite all this, hyenas are often vilified in pop culture and persecuted in real life. Habitat loss, conflict with humans, and misconceptions have put pressure on their populations. That's why International Hyena Day matters. To help people see these animals not as villains, but as the vital, intelligent, and downright fascinating creatures they really are. So next time you hear a hyena laugh, remember, it might be laughing at us for underestimating it for so long. Thanks for watching.